I've done every kind of drink challenge: lemon water, ginger water, cinnamon water, you name it. But one drink kept showing up in my comments again and again: turmeric milk. So I finally tried it every night for 14 days. And let me tell you, it turned out to be better than any drink challenge I've done so far. Day 1, the doubt. The first night, I was skeptical. I mean, milk before bed. Isn't that something your grandma recommends? But as soon as I took that first sip, the warmth hit differently, calming, slightly spicy, and oddly comforting. I fell asleep faster than usual. Coincidence, maybe? Day 3, the calm before sleep. By the third night, I noticed something strange. I wasn't just falling asleep faster. I was staying asleep. No tossing and turning, no waking up groggy. My sleep felt deeper, more restful. I started waking up refreshed without that need for coffee. Day 5, skin and digestion twist. This is where it got unexpected. My skin started looking calmer. Less dullness, fewer tiny breakouts. I wasn't even expecting that. Then I realized turmeric isn't just anti-inflammatory inside. It's detoxing the body at night when you rest. Day 7, the surprise energy boost. Halfway through, I felt more energetic during the day. Not jittery, just balanced. Turmeric milk seemed to regulate something deeper, maybe hormones or stress. Whatever it was, I felt lighter and more grounded. Day 10, the emotional shift. Around day 10, my mood changed. That quiet nighttime ritual, the smell of warm milk, the golden glow, the peace before sleep started to feel almost meditative. It wasn't just a drink. It was therapy in a mug. Day 14, the realization. After 14 days, I compared this to all my other challenges: ginger, cinnamon, cumin, fenugreek, and honestly, this one stood out. It's not about metabolism or fat burn. It's about rest, repair, and reset. Turmeric milk helps your body heal quietly while you sleep. So now I'm curious, if you could try one night drink for 14 days, what would it be? Tell me in the comments below, and maybe that'll be my next experiment. Because this was different. Not just another health drink, it felt like a nightly recharge button.
Like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more.